The Puffco Peak is an electronic concentrate device, or e-rig if you will. It has multiple heat settings and water filtration that pair perfectly with our theory extracts, providing optimal flavor, function, and aesthetic. Inside your Puffco Peak styrofoam carrying case, along with the device, you will find a dabber and carb cap, a charger, an extra ceramic dish, as well as a charging cable. Once your peak is filled with water, align the air holes of the glass with the base and firmly press into place. Pressing the button once will allow you to change your heat setting. Blue will be your lowest at 450, while white will be your hottest all the way up at 600. Before we start the heating process, go ahead and fill your peak with a dab of some theory extracts. Be sure the dab is not too big as it can overflow and damage your device. Pressing the button 2 times will engage the oven and usually takes about 20 seconds to heat up. Once your peak is heated, it is time to inhale and enjoy.